Alright, hello everyone. Here is a Alaska Northman Hugger ceiling fan here in my aunt's master bedroom. This one has like this one this fan. I had a globe on it, but we had to took it out because we had like this because when you try to put the globe on, I know I had like a enclosed inside. I had like a C-valve enclosed inside of a candelabra ball. They tried to put the globe on, but it didn't fit. So I don't know where it's stored now. Oh, it was in the bathroom. Last time I came, it was in the bathroom, but I don't know where the globe is now. I know this one does have stencil blades on it. Go to there. So we're gonna try to repair it tomorrow at the light pit. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a good view. Oh, well, this will be in the nighttime, and tomorrow we can do it in the daytime. So I'll go ahead and show you it right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some here. Just the way top of it's probably dusty. Just want to give you a close up. There it is. Top. It's down. Go ahead and turn it on. So. Let me back it up so I can give you a good look. Oh, there's the fobs right there. I'll give you a close-up at it. Well, I'll demonstrate for you. Sorry about that, but I'll just have to like show you to the fan anyway. So, anyways, I'll go ahead.
You gonna come eat some supper?
Yeah, in just a couple minutes.
Okay. Now's the time.
Okay, guys. Go ahead and demonstrate. I'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan.
What are you doing?
Turn it on.
Huh?
Turn it on.
Okay.
Because I just turned it off, so I'm going to give a demonstration.
Okay, well don't take too long.
Okay. Alright. Light doesn't work, but here's the low.
That's what I was looking for.
And I'll make a video probably a little bit later.
I thought you were gonna say, hey, you want to help out your house? And you told me
Alright, I'm gonna scare me at that little kitten. Sorry about that, there's just one of the fastest. I'll go ahead and turn it to medium speed. Just medium.
yes. I
So this is gonna be taken down, and I'm gonna try to fix it. Maybe y'all can watch. You can watch with me. Stuff. There's something wrong with the light, and I'm gonna try to fix it somehow. I'm gonna have to turn it to. Go ahead and turn it to high. This is high speed. I'll show you up close with the air.
Yeah.
Do it with my other fans. I don't want to do it too high because I don't want to hit the blades. Good. Let me show you real fast. Alright. I'll go ahead and shut it off. Alright. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you later, Rock signing off. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.